Yeah, I do.
Alright, well today I did my keyboard. It's my
On both sides, same spot.
Lenovo. No, well, look, it's pretty cheap. It's like a $22 keyboard. Does have no? It's like for a click. Not like my other keyboard. Doesn't have lights. It's like a computer Chromebook keys. It's a QWERTY. All the keys are very bad. There's an F. It goes to F12 from Escape.
I think, or on the dryer. I don't know.
But
It's around there somewhere. I found the slippers.
it's a pretty good keyboard if you want like cheap keyboard, but like